Let's study Unit 13.
14. Okay.
안, 못, 잘. So in this one unit, we can study not and don't, and also can't, and also well, which means good at something. So this just one each letter changes everything. First of all, can you say no in Korean?
안 돼. or 아니.
Right, both can be no, right? But in this case, like answering, like in English, you can say no. In that case, that means no, stop it, don't do that, right? But it's like, do you have a girlfriend? No. Like, do you have a car? No. Do you have a house? No. This is just like normal no, right? So how do you say this no?
아니요.
Right, 아니요. Some people say 아니에요, but we will see why they are wrong. Why it's wrong. Okay, so no is 아니요. 아니요? 아니에요 is used when you want to say not. So as we skip like I am, you are, he is, she is, so you can just say no, I'm not. Like this. Are you a man? I'm not. 아니에요. In this case. Or you can say no, I'm not. 아니요. 아니에요. So which is I am not a man is skipped. Right? So you can just say 아니요. 아니에요. No, I'm not. Or no, she's not. No, he's not. When you want to use not, please use 이 and 가.
이해가.
Just for basic for now. Okay, let's make sentences. I'm not a man.
남자가 아니에요.
Good. Let's add 저는 as well.
저는 남자가 아니에요.
Good. 저는 남자가 아니에요. How about it's not a coffee? Sorry, it's not coffee.
커피가 아니에요.
That's right. It's not coffee, it's water.
커피가 아니에요. 물이요. 물이에요.
That's right. 커피가 아니에요. 물이에요. Right? How about she's not my girlfriend?
여자친구가 아니에요.
Perfect. My girlfriend?
제 여자친구가 아니에요.
Right. 제 여자친구가 아니에요. Right? So you can use like she's not, he's not, I'm not, they're not, it's not. Just using 이 or가 아니에요 with nouns. Okay. 선생님이에요?
선생님이 아니에요.
Good. 선생님이 아니에요. It's alright. 한국 사람이에요?
한국 사람이 아니에요.
I'm American.
미국 사람이에요.
Right? So, the important thing is we need to remember what we studied, right?
Yeah.
So how do we do that? Like, we need to keep using it.
Right.
So, we're studying this not, that doesn't mean we can't use the thing that we studied last time. So, if someone answers you, if someone asks you like, are you Korean? No, I'm not Korean. I'm American. So we can use both. Okay? All right. How about this? Use an right before a word. That's the rule. That's the grammar. So what I'm saying is expensive. How do you say it's expensive? 비싸다?
비싸요.
Right, 비싸요. That means it's expensive. But how do we say it's not expensive?
안 비싸요.
Right. So you just add an right before a word. Computer is not expensive. How do you say that?
컴퓨터가 안 비싸요.
Perfect. Just like that. One more. 멀다 means far. So how do you say it's far? 멀어요. Okay, so how do you say it's not far?
안 멀어요.
Right, 안 멀어요. 멀어요. Okay? How about I eat?
먹어요.
Right. 먹다 becomes 먹어요 to make a sentence, right? 먹어요. How about I don't eat?
안 먹어요.
Right. You need to put an right before the word. 안 먹어요. How about I don't eat pizza?
피자를 안 먹어요.
Perfect. 피자를 안 먹어요. I'm going to ask you questions if you do or not, or if you are or not. So you need to answer, no, I'm not blah blah, no, I don't blah blah. Okay? 스파게티를 먹어요?
스파게티를 안 먹어요.
Good. 햄버거를 좋아해요?
햄버거 안 좋아해요.
Good. 학교에 가요?
학교에 안 가요.
Right. You need to put an, right? Okay. Here's the thing. If you see hada verbs, like the word that ends with hada, but not every hada words have two different kinds. So, like smart, nice, kind, something like this. And others, exercise, do study, do work, like this. So for do hada verbs, we need to put an right before hada. So let's see the examples. 운동하다. How do you say I exercise?
운동하다. 운동해요.
운동해요, right? And we want to say I don't exercise.
운동 안 해요.
Right. So we need to put the an right before 하다. So 운동 안 해요. 운동 안 해요. Right? How about cook? How do you say I cook?
요리해요.
요리해요. I don't cook.
요리 안 해요.
Good. How about I work?
일해요.
I don't work.
일 안 해요.
Good. Do you get it? How about words like smart? 똑똑하다. How do you say he's not smart?
안 똑똑해요.
Right. So an just comes just like normal. How about 착하다? Nice. This nice should be used for someone's, what is it?
Personality.
Someone's, I forgot this word. Personality, right? So you can't say, oh, this book is nice. No, that's not nice. 착하다,
착하다. 착해요.
right? 하다 becomes 해요, so 착해요. But he's not nice,
안 착해요.
right? So I would memorize this as like, all right, I'm gonna put on right before the words, but for hada verbs. So okay, the hada words are exceptions, so I'm gonna put that an right before hada. Okay? And one more thing about this not or don't, we also have 지 않다. So this doesn't have like that exception. But this is, it looks longer than an, right? So we don't really use it in conversations, in speaking. So for example, pretty is 예쁘다, right? So instead of 다, we want to add 지 않다. So it becomes 예쁘지 않다. It's not a full sentence because we didn't finish this 다. 다 is still there. So we need to add 아요. So it becomes 예쁘지 않아요.
So what is the exact meaning for that?
Same. Not or don't.
So when would you use that instead of 안 예뻐요?
I would use that when I feel like I want to be formal.
Okay. So it's more. So, I mean, I hear it in speaking too, right?
Sometimes when we want to make sure that foreigners who study Korean understand. So I would use just the way that you guys study.
Okay.
So 예쁘지 않아요 like this. This is really awkward way. When they speak each other to their friends, they never say that. This is 안 예뻐 안 예뻐.
Oh,
예쁘지 않아요 예쁘지 않아요. This sounds like a robot.
okay.
Yeah. So, but we need to know it exists. And also, like I said, when you watch the news or maybe documentaries or like when you're at the airport or like public transportation, you might hear this. So you need to understand.
Yeah.
Because we never know when we're going to be in those public places. So 지 않다, 예쁘지 않다, or I don't eat, 먹다, take out 다, and add 지 않다, 먹지 않다. So 먹지 않아요. Oh, I just remembered when I was like little, like literally little, 5, 6 years old. Then like my kindergarten teachers would say like 예쁘지 않아요, 먹지 않아요, like that.
Okay.
Right? You want to make sure that person understands me saying not or don't. All right. So 안 is done.